So friend, this is my online net touch blue sky channel here, and my last previous video I'm already created some files and the practicals. So this is one type of beginner computer users and most advanced level you want understand and using your computer systems and the computer devices and the computer related courses. So this will be a good channel for you, and my all courses free for you. So you can see just here, this is my this series computer basic knowledge. So last previous video very important for you. Watch my previous video, either you cannot understand what happened some last my previous video information. So you want first understand you are beginner of computer user. So Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, that is all of MS Office software. And you can see just here, this is my control panel. Okay, my control panel options. These I'm already created these related videos. So this is one type of Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and other type all of information type and document, and you are adding anything your data. So you must need these types of softwares. You if you are not understand, maybe you cannot completely understand. So some areas, sometimes some your office areas had bad behavior and not completely educated type person. So you can see just here, this is my desktop, and I'm already created last my some previous video files. So first double click and open it. Okay, my last previous video I'm already told you how save why save this file, because we are save file sometime power of maybe problem in your computer, and unfortunately computer shut down. So you are already save file this type, so you can again start continue this your document. So last some previous video, home options, bold options, italic, underline, and text color and text types. This is a home option part 2 video, and I am last my some previous video typing here. Okay, and after I'm showing you. So continue this. Let's start this video. So you can see just this is my home option inside, and all of today this video in all of options. Okay, discuss here. So first understand this I'm left side click button and hold it and select some this sentence, and you can see just like gray line here, and I want to know this, so you can check here. But most of the computer engineers not and some all of most of the 99% computer user not using these options, because you using backspace, so automatically move. So I'm just showing here, and you can see just here, this is what okay, increase font size. So Microsoft Word letter call font. So what is the font? Font is one type H I A M C O M, that is a font. So I'm select this V font. Okay, and I want more bigger size. So this type you can see just here, this first option. Second option, you want to decrease this size here. You want second option this type. Okay, but before select, Okay, select, and after you can change. Okay, so this is a one type of very good feature in Microsoft Word. Second is these very important and a lot of people using these systems here. So first I am select all of these. Okay, left button, hold on and drag down, all of select here. Okay, I want each word first letter, first capital, so you can use in sentence keys first letter capital. Okay, but I want every word first capital, so you can lower uppercase capitalize each word. You can see this option, but I'm lowercase one by one. So all of you can see just here these V beginners, and I'm entered this B. Okay, B capital, and enter M capital. Okay, I'm just showing only for what happened this option is in this software. Okay, OF, and you can see just here this is a line. What is a line? This is a called ruler. I will discuss some next time, but I'm just showing. And enter A. Okay, and select everything. Okay, and I am select lowercase. Look at here, I am already created A capital, B capital, so automatically all of second type. Okay, third option is uppercase, everything uppercase. Okay, everything capital, so this is option very good for you. Okay, so you can see each word capital here. Okay, because we are select this uppercase. Fourth option you can see just here, capitalize each word. Capitalize each word means every word first letter capital and other small. So first left button, press and hold it and drag these your mouse. Okay, and select it. I am select everything, and click on capitalize each word. You can see just here everything word capitalize. Okay, you can see just here, you can see here, and you can see here. So I am normally these same. Okay, so second thing is why this underline red side, and you can see other underline blue. So means this word some mistake, grammar problem, some word not completely perfect. You add just like I'm enter this mango. Okay, this mango, but I'm entering other side main. Okay, इस तरह से cut it this type. Okay, so you can see just this spelling completely enter here, but second spelling my wrong, so this indicate some mistake. You type a word in this system here. Okay, you can see just here. So Microsoft in you are install this your software. So Microsoft inside the partition main operating system, just like I'm just showing you this I'm enter this PC and partition C, and you can see just Microsoft in already Microsoft this special created directory. Okay, so one type of directory created Microsoft Office inside special some templates and uh, one type of dictionary. So Microsoft company own directory available in some special spellings and informations, and these checked by your word to and the dictionary data Microsoft Office. So these indicate automatically information here. And again I'm showing Apple. Okay, this I'm enter Apple, but I'm enter APLE. So you can see just here this showing this this spelling is wrong. Okay, so showing me here I can how you change. So you can see right click here and showing suggestion from other these spelling related other spellings. Okay, it's showing a list here. So I'm entering Mango this time and right click. Okay, because right click on the some mistake and problem here. So enter right click and you can see just a lot of showing me these type related spelling of list. Okay, so complete this. Next understand select everything and you can see these new type of system. So one type of showing everything word first letter small and other capital. So this is you can see just this word beginner type. So first letter B, first letter C, you can see just here. So this is a one type of first letter you want small and other capital. So using these options, but you want to first letter capital and other word small, so you can use capital H for this option. So now next you can see just this clear all formatting means you want everything format clear. Okay, you can change everything your your board, you're changing different type your this type so everything formatting clear this in one at one time. But you want to change I think I want to change this. So click on select first here this type. Okay, how select left button, press and hold it on mouse and drag this type. You can see behind side gray type line and click on here. So automatically everything you are format first original form. Okay, first you are typing type here. Okay, so this is one type of showing here. This next step of x under 2. Okay, these options subscript. Okay, to this subscript I'm enter A1. Okay, one type of character. So I want 1 under A. So enter this first select here, first letter select here. Okay, so this is a 1 first. I want this letter under A. So you can see just under A, and opposite that type I want A1 this type. So you can enter this type letter. So first understand enter this type. Okay, so you want anything enter this type. So first this is x2 plus x5 equal to, okay, you can see x7. So how you want to understand. So I want a square, so first select 2, okay, and this subscript x square, this type x5 x square, you can see just here, and you want anything just like downside this type, enter. So this reason basically to math character using this type, okay. So I'm first delete it. Next, understand format new type of systems. Here you can see just a list of system. This basically options paragraph for only. So you want a paragraph first. So you can see list of mango, apple, one type of. So you want to enter this type, symbols, bullet library, and you can this type. You can enter this type. So anything you want to enter, add here. I am enter this type, but you want numbers, so you can enter here, okay. This second option 1 2 3 this type, I'm enter this type, okay. So this is one type of list showing with number, and this reason using these options here. You can see just you I want changing anything, I enter Roman type, this. So you can see just a Roman type list showing here. I want enter this ABC type, so I enter this type here, okay. So first define number of new format, change list label, you can see enter, set number. So define number label means you can enter and the new style of the enter your list second, first, third, and click on OK. You can see just here. So a lot of people created list of some items and create characters. So this type using is a one time, select everything and enter this type character, okay. So 1 2 3 enter here. So you want to enter paragraph, so I'm enter paragraph, okay. So this is automatically setup. I'm enter, okay, enter, okay. This type you want enter automatically because this is start running mode, okay. And again I'm click on, so this is stop and not again automatically create these numbers, okay. So this is a very good showing me these options, okay, and helpful for especially to some creative paragraph and paragraph with the system. So you can use these paragraph systems here, okay. Third is one type of character number wise, and you can see just here this type, enter here. You want a list of library type, you can enter this type, okay. So this is a character one type of using a paragraph especially too. And you can see just here I'm remove everything these numbers, and I'm showing some very systematic one type of these very important, okay. So what is the first of I want these everything, first understand. I'm enter this mango name, I want center this word, okay. So I click on center, this you can see just a center, so okay, center, and I want big numbers, so I click on here, okay, and I want some more dark, okay. I want some color on this, okay. So this is mango word, and any you are word using just like apple, and I want center side, you can see just here I want dark this and red, okay, red word, okay. You can see just apple. So this is one type of you are using a center, not need for actually to first create some special you know some special employee create this type lot of give space and after writing here. Okay, for center spelling and paragraph on top side, headline. So not there for this lot of space give only for select it your any your word and click on paragraph this area. Okay, so automatically center side come here. Okay, so understand a page related. What is a page? Page is you can see just this is your one page here. Okay, I want a new page, so I will give some you can see just here this is my first page here. Okay, so first page inside you can enter more to more page 20 15 1000 page anything you want. So I am just first understand how you your your characters of lot of character of your data. Okay, so people not understand directly because this is everything data and data related everything you can see just here this is your data, everything your data. Okay, everything your spelling and systems. Okay, so next option is you can see just right side. Okay, right side you can see just start here. Okay, some special character starting here right side. So this is a mango right side. You want center, you want start left side, right side, anything. So you can select here, and you can see just nothing. You want to first start left side, so you can start here. Okay, but you want specially your character system types. You can use these options. Okay, so this is a decrease indent system. You can see just left side button here. Okay, and you can see just increased in indent right side. Okay, so you can see just this is a one type of indent left to right. You can see just here. Okay, so this is a good of option for you. This next you can see just this is one type of your line paragraph to faces. Okay, what is a line paragraph facing? So first I want a paragraph, so I will show you first I want first paragraph. So you can see just here I am already copy other file through this very small paragraph. Okay, so click I'm right click and paste here. This is a paragraph for other side document, other document to paragraph. I'm continue this copy and paste here because I want a more not long video. So you can see just this is a paragraph of one type of this my document. Okay, and we are understand this paragraph. So first understand paragraph start tab button. Okay, and this is a ruler. Okay, so this type start this type paragraph. Okay, so I'm just showing only for these options related. You can see just to be careful. Okay, you can see just here. Okay, so what do you understand? Every paragraph line to line, one line, two line, three line, between space of these options. Okay, so you want and just again these showing again this select this data. Okay, and select these again options. You can see just one by one distance of your line to line spacing. Okay, so this is a spacing of one paragraph to other line. So very some using some poem, you are write poem and poem inside some create this type option using this system. Second, some created presentation, some so this is one type of option for good it. So I can create, as you can see, just this is paragraph again. Okay, this type paragraph. So friend, this is a very long video, and I will discuss home option next time video part 3. So thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Click on subscribe button, click on like button, and click on share. So why how many type of system and available in next because this is a very long video. So next time I will continue this my video home option part 3. Okay, and I'm continue this video this topic on this topic and very advanced level type. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. We are continue next time. Okay, we will continue in next time, next video. So thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.